What's up everybody, it's your boy Brad Patrol, back at it again with another video. You guys probably can't see me because I'm sitting in the dark car right now, but I just did the first ever mod on my 2019 Subaru Impreza Hatchback. It's something very simple, very easy, but I changed the two front dome lights from the regular white to a neonish green. I'm going to turn them on here in a second. You guys will be able to see me, but I don't know if it'll show up on camera whether or not it's green. I noticed in my phone's camera it doesn't really show up as green, but in person you can definitely see the difference. So I'm going to turn them on both right here. This is just the driver's side, and that's driver and passenger. As you can see, they're very bright, and I absolutely love them. In person they look great, but like I said, on camera I don't think they look that great. So let me know what you guys think. I'm definitely going to do the rear light as well. And just pretty much my theme with this car is going to be green and black. Green is definitely my favorite color, right next to purple. So I'm going to do as much as I can in both of those colors. But I'm very happy. I bought these lights for the Sonata, and I had them in the Sonata as well. I didn't think they were going to fit in here, but I managed to make them work. And they just plugged and played, so that was awesome. Super excited with them. Hopefully you guys can see the difference as well. They're overall they're brighter too. It's an LED bulbs. Well, it's bulbs, multiple. But yeah, they're super bright. I absolutely love it. So I noticed there wasn't a whole lot of videos about the 2019 Subaru Impreza hatchback manuals on YouTube, almost at all. Information was very scarce, unless it was from a dealership, and those videos always suck. So if there's anything you guys would like to see, feel free to leave a comment down below and let me know. If you guys want to see some updated pictures, I post a lot more on my Instagram than I do on YouTube, so feel free to give me a follow down there. It's Brap_Patrol, just how it sounds. I'll also put the link in the description. But I don't plan on doing anything crazy with this car. I love it in its stock form, but you know, I have to modify everything at least a little bit. So I'll be doing that over the course of the next probably year or so, and go from there. But I'm super happy with it, how it's come out so far. I love the all-wheel drive system. It's something I've never had before, like I said in my last video, so it's definitely very nice to have. Also guys, I know this is my car and I'm going to end up building it how I want to build it, but drop your suggestions down below. I haven't been able to find many parts online, and I'm not looking to spend crazy money either. But if you can think of aftermarket parts that would be cool on this thing, feel free to drop the links below, or you can shoot me a message, you know, on Instagram or whatever. I definitely want to do an exhaust and an intake. Like I said, I might want to do some wheels eventually. You know, any other little interior pieces too. It does have some fake carbon fiber on the door cards here, which I kind of like. So I might continue with that theme, but overall I'm very happy with how it looks. Yeah, like I said, if there's anything that you guys can think of, or you know, that I might enjoy, feel free to drop the links below, or comment a website that I can go to and check it out. So far, finding parts of this thing has not been very easy, but then again, I'm also not looking every day either. I know sites update all the time as these cars get more popular and as the year goes on. But with that being said, guys, feel free to help me out and let me know what else you'd like to see done to this car. I think it would be awesome to do a wide body kit, but quite frankly that's not in the cards for a long time. I think it would be awesome to lower it and do a wide body, but yeah, that's not going to happen anytime soon. As well as I'd love to do a turbo build. Once again, this is my daily, and it's just not going to happen anytime soon. So kind of focus on more realistic parts that I can get.